Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Bunch of Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that don't break the bank. Today we're going to make papas con chorizo. Or for you gringos out there, taters and chorizo. We're going to start with chopping up some cilantro. Yes, you can eat the stems too. I know the saying's no stems, no seeds, but in this case, stems are fine, just no seeds. We're going to take 1.5 pounds potatoes and dice them to bite-sized pieces. Skin on, skin off, your preference. I'm lazy, and skins are good. They have a lot of nutrition in them, so I'm leaving them on. But always wash your potatoes. And as we're cutting them, we're going to go ahead and add them to our pan with water. This way I keep them from oxidizing and turning brown. Now, as our potatoes are soaking and we're getting the starch out, we're going to dice 1 small onion. We're going to cook our potatoes over high heat. We're going to cover them, bring them to a boil. Now that it's boiling, we're going to reduce the heat to low, and we're going to let it simmer for 5 to 8 minutes. To a large skillet, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil's hot enough, we're going to add our onion that we diced. And we're going to cook it for 5 minutes or until the onion is soft and translucent. Now that the onions are soft and translucent, we're going to add 10 ounces of homemade chorizo. We're going to break up the chorizo into smaller chunks. We're going to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Now after 8 minutes, we're going to check the potatoes to see if they're done. And the fork should slide right through them. We're done, so we're going to drain it and set it aside. Now that the chorizo is done, we're going to add our potatoes in. Stir to combine the potatoes and the chorizo. Now we're going to cook for an additional 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, we're going to taste. We're going to add salt and pepper to our likeness. And now it's time to dig in. Now, I'm sure you're asking yourself, he chopped cilantro. Where's the cilantro? We're using it as garnish. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. That's so good. This cost us right at $6 to make, and it feeds 6 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.